Have you guys had questions on what wheel and tire package fits under your truck when building? In this video, we're gonna go over 3 different sizes to help you decide which one you need. Stay tuned. What's up guys, it's Marissa with Crates Customs, and like I said, we're gonna take a look at 3 different sizes for your truck builds. Starting off with our smallest size, this is going to be a stock Ford wheel and tire package. This size is a 265/65/18, and this comes out to be a 31.5 inches tall and 10 inches wide. So the stock wheel is usually about 8.5 inches, and that tire is going to be 10 inches, so it kind of grips the outside part of that lip to give it a little bit more protection. This has a high positive offset, so anywhere from a 30 to a 44. So it is going to be tucked inside the fender wells a little bit, so it allows for this wheel and tire package stock. Now, when you want to level your vehicle and you want to go a little bit taller in your wheel and tire package, this one is going to meet our medium size. It's going to be a 275/60/20. Coming down, this is going to be a 33 inches tall and 10.8 inches wide. So it's going to be a little bit taller and just a ½ inch wider. This one is going to be a 20/9 +1 offset. So when adding this to your leveling build, you want to have anywhere from a 2 to 2.5 inch spacer or strut in the front just to raise that front up to add this wheel and tire package specifically. Now, in some builds, you probably could fit this under a stock vehicle depending upon which one you're looking at adding onto it. But most vehicles, you do need to add a leveling kit in order to fit this size. Like I said before, it's got a +1 offset. It is going to sit out past the fender wells about a ½ inch. So whenever you're going with different offsets, keep that in mind when building your truck as well, because the more negative offset you have, it's going to stick outside the wheel well more, and it's going to have a smaller turning radius, which will require some trimming if not going to a full suspension on your build. Like I said, this is going to be more so a leveling kit or even a 3.5 inch kit on your Chevys, like the classic body style and the square fender wells. If you're looking to go for more of a suspension build, anywhere from 4, 6, or higher, you do want to look into getting a bigger wheel and tire package, which this one is a 35/12/50/20, and this has a 20/10 wheel with a -18 or -24 offset. Now, this specific wheel and tire package is going to poke out about 2 inches past those fenders. Like I said, the more it pokes out, the less turning radius you have, so you want to go a little bit higher in your suspension builds. Most of your 35s are going to fit any 4, 6, or higher suspension. And then on your Chevys, to fit a 35 without any trimming, you probably want to go a little bit higher with your 6 or 7 inch builds. Like I said, with the offsets, it's going to depend on how negative or positive of an offset you have. And that's going to determine how high of a suspension, how big of a tire, and how much you want it to stick out past those fenders. Now, you guys can go with a bigger wheel, smaller tire package. Just depends on how you want it to sit specifically. You can stick with a 33 inch tire and you can go up to a 22 inch wheel. You'll have less of a sidewall on those tires, but it's definitely doable for your leveling kits as well as a 3.5 or 4 inch suspension. Same with your 35, you can go up to a 22 inch wheel, even a 24 inch wheel, and sometimes even 26s. Again, it's all how you want your truck to look and sit specifically. Now, you guys can visit our website at cratescustoms.com and shop all of our stock, leveled, and lifted sizes. If you guys have any questions, you can give us a call 301-694-4642, and our aftermarket specialist will be happy to help you.